Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you how can you use toxin reducer. This is the toxin reducer packet. So I buy this product from AliExpress. You can find the purchase link in my description below also. So this is the toxin reducer, and this is some kind of tap which hold the toxin reducer in your food. So first come first, take two toxin reducer, these two. After that, take two toxin reducer holder. So these two. After that, open one, you can see, and then just open one side and place in your foot this way. Then place one toxin reducer packet in this way. Make sure you make sure you put this packet in this way. Do not put in this way, put in this way. Then just open. Sorry. Then just open and place this. In this way, just put this into your two food and wait for morning, and I will show the result after morning. So guys, it's morning time. Here you can see it's morning time. Now I like to show you what is going on after overnight. So now I like to open this. So here you can see what is going on overnight. The packet is almost black. It absorbed the toxin from body. Here you can see. And other one I like to show. So I use two toxin reducer. Here you can see it's both are absorb toxin from my body. So this is a really nice and good product. If you have any pain in your body joint, then it will help to absorb your toxin and reduce your joint pain. So this is a really nice product. I recommend you to use this. So I hope you like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.